The purpose of this video is to demonstrate some of the shortcuts that will save you time when you're working with Wiring Planner. The first shortcut is when you're in a diagram and you want to pan, simply right-click on your mouse and drag. And that's a very quick way to move around on your diagram. This can also be accomplished in Windows and on Mac by putting two fingertips on the trackpad and moving them. The next shortcut is used to highlight the full length of a conductor. If I click any conductor, only the segment that I clicked is highlighted. But if I press Tab, then it highlights the full length of the conductor. Sometimes when you're working in Wiring Planner, a conductor may become displaced, and it's then not obvious where this conductor is connected to. So if I press Tab, it highlights the full length and it's obvious that it's connected to pin 23. The next shortcut that I'll demonstrate is the Redraw Shortcut. In this case, I want to redraw this conductor in the most efficient route possible. So I simply press Ctrl R and it straightens out the conductor. I can select this segment and move it to create a symmetric layout. The next thing I want to demonstrate is how to disconnect a conductor from a contact. If I first press Shift and then select a contact while holding Shift, I can drag to move the conductor away from the contact. To reconnect, I'll simply double-click on the very end of the conductor and then I can redraw the line. And once again, I'll select this segment and move it into place so that the routing is symmetric. In order to zoom, you can press the Control key on Windows and scroll the mouse wheel forward and backward. You can also press Control minus and Control plus to zoom in Windows and on Mac. When you create a black box with child connectors, those connectors are ordered in the order in which they were created. But if I want to change the order of the connectors, then I can simply select the connector that I want to move and then press Control Shift and drag it to a new position. Here on the toolbar we have filters, and there are two filters. The first one is for filtering conductors. If I want to select all the conductors in this diagram, I can select this filter and then use a window select across the ends of the conductors. Now, this may be useful if I want to show or hide labels for all the conductors at one time. The other filter is for labels, and same thing, if I select it and then select a large area, it only selects the labels. And in this case, if I want to change the position of these connector labels, I can simply select all the labels and then press Control and then click the labels that I do not want to move, and then all the rest of the labels can be moved together.